What is Melio, and how does it work? Melio enables your business to pay its vendors exactly as you want to pay them. See Melio alternatives. Even if your vendors accept payment by check only, Melio allows you to pay via ARC bank transfer, debit and credit card. Your payees will receive their funds via direct deposit or by check in the mail, meaning they don't need to sign up for Melio to accept payments. To send a payment with Melio, you'll first need to create an account. Once you have an account, you can upload the invoice or bill you want to pay. You can do this either by manually entering invoice information or simply by taking a photo of the invoice. You can then choose what payment method you want to pay your vendor with. Here, you'll also be able to schedule or automate the payment for the specific date it's due. Lastly, you can choose how your vendor will receive payment, either by check in the mail or through a direct deposit to their bank account, squared. With Melio, you can also receive payments from customers as well as send invoices, cubed. Memo read on for more. 1. Melio key features. 2. Melio fees. 3. Melio pros and cons. 4. Can Melio do international payments? 5. Conclusion. Is Melio the best choice for your business? Melio key features. Melio has a range of features that make sending payments and invoices, as well as tracking payment flows, easy. Melio syncs with Xero, QuickBooks, FreshBooks and more. This means your payments and invoices can transfer instantly to your accounting software in real time, simplifying bookkeeping and taxes, squared. Melio supports international payments, making it ideal for businesses dealing with foreign vendors. It currently supports cross-border payments to 80+ countries across the world, to the power of 4. As Melio supports credit card payments, this means you can use your favorite business credit card to earn points, miles or cash back on your expenditure. That way, you'll continue earning points on large business payments, enabling you to redeem credit card rewards and use points for transfer partner redemptions much faster, squared. Likewise, paying with a credit card allows you to increase your short-term cash flow. Ease of use. When you upload an invoice, automatic bill capture AI will take the necessary information from the scan to allow you to make the payment. This saves you from having to manually enter the invoice. Alternatively, you can get vendors to send invoices directly to your Melio email address, which will add them to your pay inbox automatically, saving you time. To the power of 5. You can also pay different vendors at the same time as well as send multiple payments to the same vendor, in any supported country. This batch payments feature makes paying invoices more efficient, allowing you to send multiple payments with one click. When combining payments, you can use the split payment feature to allow you to use different payment methods to fund different parts of the payment, giving you flexibility in how you pay your vendors, squared. When sending invoices, you can customize them with your own brand logo. You can also send payment links to your customers, expediting the payment process, cubed. Melio receives overall positive reviews on Trustpilot, an independent review site. With an average rating of 4.4 out of 5, users say that Melio's customer service agents are easy and friendly to work with, helping you solve any issue. They also rate the efficiency of bill payment with Melio, as well as its handy integrations with accounting softwares. In some cases, Trustpilot reviewers complain that payment delivery times can be an issue, with payments taking longer than expected to arrive. Customer service. Melio has a dedicated help center with a range of guides and FAQs to help solve common issues. To the power of 6, you can also submit a query via their online form as well as contact their customer service through live chat on Mondays to Fridays, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. To the power of 7. Security. Melio uses state-of-the-art security features to protect your funds and ensure payments reach their recipients. Melio has the following certifications: 1. SOC 2 Type 2. 2. ISO 27001. 3. ISO 27017. 4. ISO 27018 to the power of 8. Additionally, Melio's third-party payment processor is PCI Level 1 certified, ensuring card data is protected to the highest standards. To the power of 8. Melio fees. So with all these features, the question remains: is Melio free to use? When it comes to creating an account, Melio is free to use. There are no subscription fees, sign-up fees or recurring monthly fees. ARC bank transfers are completely free to send. If you want to pay by credit card, you'll be charged a fee of 2.9%. Same-day delivery ARC transfers incur a fee of 1%, up to $30 United States dollars, while fast checks have a flat fee of $20 United States dollars per payment. Likewise, international payments incur a flat fee of $20 United States dollars. With Melio, you can mail 2 checks per month free of charge. After that, mailed checks will incur a fee of $1.50 United States cents. To the power of 9. Melio pros and cons. Here's a summary of the pros and cons of Melio. Pros: possible drawbacks. 1. Sync with Xero, QuickBooks, FreshBooks and more for easier bookkeeping and taxes. 2. Unlimited users. 3. Approval workflows enable you to set each user's role and permissions. 4. Automated bill capture. 5. Payees don't need to sign up with Melio to receive payment. 6. Invoices can be emailed directly to your pay inbox via your Melio email address. 7. International transactions supported to 80+ countries. 8. Bill management and payment tracking features included. 9. Ability to split, combine and schedule recurring payments. 10. ARC transfers are free to send. 11. Earn points, miles and cashback by using your credit card to pay vendors. 1. Credit card payments are subject to a processing fee of 2.9%. 2. International payments can be made in USD only and are subject to a flat fee of $20 United States dollars per payment. 3. International payments can be made with a bank transfer or MasterCard credit card only. 4. Fast checks cost $20 United States dollars per payment. What are the benefits of Melio? The main advantage of Melio is how easy it makes bill payment. With automated bill capture, a variety of payment options and no need for payees to sign up, Melio simplifies the bill payment process. The ability to split, combine and schedule payments, as well as automate recurring payments, makes bill payment more efficient. Support for international transactions to 80+ countries also makes it easy to conduct international business, allowing you to find and pay the vendor best suited to your business, without worrying about borders. Likewise, reliable customer support and relatively few fees make Melio a reliable, solid payment option. What are the possible drawbacks of Melio? Despite supporting international transactions to 80+ countries, Melio isn't the cheapest option when it comes to cross-border business. Its flat fee of $20 per payment could cost you a significant amount if international payments are a part of your business. On top of this, Melio supports USD transactions only, meaning you can't pay vendors in their local currency. Neither can you receive invoice payments in foreign currencies, meaning you'll have to pay currency conversion fees. While Melio is a cost-effective option for businesses paying vendors within the US, there may be better alternatives to Melio when it comes to international business. Light bulb Wise Business is a safe and low-cost way to send international payments to 160+ countries. Can Melio do international payments? Yes, Melio supports international payments in USD to 80+ countries, including Canada, the UK, New Zealand, and Australia. Conclusion: is Melio the best choice for your business? Overall, if you're looking for an easy way to pay vendors and invoice customers within the US, while increasing cash flow and making your accountant's life easier, Melio can be a great option. But if you're dealing with international vendors or customers on a regular basis, then there may be better alternatives to Melio, which will save you on international fees. Discover Wise Business, the low-cost way to send and receive cross-border payments. With Wise Business, you can create unlimited international invoices for free using the Invoice Generator tool. It's also easy to send payments to 160+ countries. And when it comes to receiving payments, you can forget about high international fees eating into your revenue. Wise is not a bank, but a money services business, MSB, provider and a smart alternative to banks. You can access up to 9 local account details for a low one-time fee. Using these account details, you can receive payments from foreign customers at the same speed and cost as a local. See how Wise Business